Hello guys, in this video I want to explain about how to test a void method that throws an exception. If you observe this save all method, here we have a try block and catch block. It means we have a successful scenario and we have a scenario that throws an exception. But if you observe here, we are having methods with void return type. Usually we can easily throw exception for a method which is having return type, but for void return type how we can do it, I will show you. First of all, let's test scenario which is successful, and then let's go for this negative scenario. Okay, let me directly call this save all method. Okay, I already defined some employee list here. Now if I want to confirm whether this method is called or not, what I need to do, I need to use this verify method. Verify emp-dav comma times. I want to just verify how many times this method got invoked. Usually it should be invoked for one time, right? Because I was calling this save all method one time only. Okay, let me try to check it. Here, let's wait a few seconds. It will take some time to run this coverage. Yeah, we observe we are able to test the positive scenario, right? Even this verify method got successful, otherwise it will throw some exception. Okay, or it will throw some error like this mock is not invoked the n number of times which you mentioned. Let me go for the second scenario. Here let me rename a method exception test. Now what I want to do means I want to test this negative scenario, right? It means I want to throw some exception from this save all method. Okay, for this I have do throw method. Here inside this do throw I need to throw some exception. Okay, and here I want to mention the mock here. What is our mock employee dav, right? And here from here I need to call this save all method. Here I need to pass this arguments. Okay, now let me try to run these two test cases and let me check whether we got coverage for these two cases, positive and negative scenario or not. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. It will take some time. Okay, there is some issue. Okay, yeah, sorry guys, I forgot to call this method. We need to call this method, right? If I want to invoke that test case. Let me wait. Yeah, if you observe, I was able to cover the both scenarios. I think so now you got some idea how to throw exception for a void method.